In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Salesforce Trailhead Playground org. Whether you're looking to declutter your org list or simply removing a one-time experiment, knowing how to delete an unnecessary playground can be really handy. Let's dive in and go through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head to Trailhead. You can do this quickly by typing Trailhead into the search bar of your browser and selecting the official Trailhead link in the search results. Once you arrive at the Trailhead website, the next step is to log in with your account credentials. Ensure you use the correct login details so you don't encounter any access issues later on. After successfully logging in, you will notice the Trailhead logo conveniently perched in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this logo will take you directly to your user profile. This is your home base for managing all your Trailhead activities and playgrounds. As you arrive at your profile page, look for the section labeled Org Details or Hands-on Orgs. This section is where you can see all the playground orgs associated with your Trailhead account. It's essentially a list of little Salesforce environments you can play around with to learn and experiment. Now, with your list of playgrounds in view, find the specific one that you no longer need. Each playground will have an option to either disconnect or delete. It might be tempting to keep them all, but removing unused ones can help keep your Trailhead experience clean and organized. Click on the Disconnect or Delete button corresponding to that particular playground. When you click to delete, follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Salesforce will want to make sure that you really mean to delete this playground because once it's gone for good. Make sure the prompts are followed carefully to avoid accidentally deleting the wrong org. These prompts are a part of the system's checks to ensure you really want to proceed, acting as a safeguard against accidental deletions. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a Salesforce Trailhead Playground org. It wasn't very difficult, was it? Keeping your list of active playgrounds neat can prevent confusion, help you focus on pertinent projects, and make learning on Trailhead all the more enjoyable. Thank you for following along, and as always, happy trailblazing.